All right, y'all, so I just got my new truck, 2021 Kenworth. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that fresh grease, y'all. I'll show you the inside. There ain't nothing in it because I just got it. I still got to load my stuff up in it. So here's what the inside looks like. It's really clean. Got a microwave, a little desk or whatever I want to put here. I don't know if these are supposed to be. Okay, they're just storage compartments. My refrigerator, which is, I guess, is okay. I like the freezer though. The freezer is pretty big, so that's good. Another storage compartment. You know how they got the optimized idle TV mount. But yeah, I'm happy with it overall, you know what I mean? I like it better than the Freightliner. I like that I have I have an actual window instead of that little thing that you like snap and that's it. A little fan. Crap ton of storage compartments. Nothing. I'm looking for my spare fuses. I don't think I have any. So I'm gonna have to go into the shop and get some. But yeah, man, this is it. 2021 Freightliner. So yeah, guys, once I get everything in it, I will touch back in base and show you guys around how I get it once I have it all set up. Peace, y'all.